How to add opening hours section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page. Now go right here on this pages right here, scroll down until you find the opening hours option. Click on it and choose a template from here of your opening hours. For example, let's choose this one. Click on it and wait a few seconds. Now after you wait a few seconds, it will give you this page. Now right here you can change your title, opening hours, you can change your subtitle, come visit, and the paragraph right here you can add your opening hours. And yeah, and you can also change the picture here from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.